Hey, what's up guys, this is a review for you, and today I wanna just show something I don't think have been done yet, just out of curiosity. As you know, you can charge your phone while recording, charging it from the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, acting as a power bank. So right now it's on, it's still folded, so when I turn it on, actually it vibrates. Check the motor, so I understand it's in a lock mode, so it doesn't try to fight this anymore. However, it activates the output USB port, and I plug here right now this and just make sure it's in focus, USB power meter. Of course, right now it reads 5.20 volts and 0 amps because I haven't plugged anything. So I have very long cable, and this is my iPhone. I just used a little bit earlier to demonstrate how the DJI Osmo Mobile works with Mobile 3, and I'm gonna plug it and see how much is, oh, here we go, it's charging. So it pulls 1 amp, so I think the port is limited to 1 amp, which is pretty enough. You don't want to fast charge your phone with this, and you want to leave some power, of course, for your gimbal to be able, to operate certain time. So definitely it's not slow. It's not something like 500 milliamp hours, but it's not something like 2 amps. You're not gonna fast charge this. And definitely, in emergency, if you don't have power bank, it's okay. But I just, would use this charging port for its purpose, which is to keep up your phone or device, whatever you're using. Could be, like I say in previous video, can be in my case gonna be GoPro Hero Session 4, which can be charged at the time it's recording too. So plenty enough. All right, so this is in case you were curious, and now I'm just gonna plug itself with the USB-C cord, the gimbal, to the charger to see how many amps it pulls from the charger, which is 2 amp charger actually. So we'll be back. All right, now on to my next setup. So you see right now I have the charger, which is capable of 2.1 amps output, if I'm not wrong, plenty enough. So we're gonna plug here the DJI USB-C cord, and here the DJI gimbal Osmo Mobile 3. Okay, feels awesome. So, oh wow, actually, hopefully you can see, guys. Actually, it pulls pretty significant amount of power. Pretty much it maxes out the capability of this 2 amp charger. So right now it's 1.75. I was fluctuating for a little bit, so it's pretty fast charging. And when the gimbal is on, actually over here on the very left side lights up a green LED, which probably means it's operating right now. So I'm assuming those 3 LED blinking now actually sort of the state of charge, so each one represents about 33% state of charge. So that's mean probably the battery is full, so whenever I was using it, all the 3 dots were lighting up, so pretty well. So I'm assuming probably when the battery is empty, it can pull as much as probably 2 amps, or who knows. But so far my charger can output 2 amps, and that's it. So this is my measure. This means it's a pretty fast charging device. So good news, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. It helps me a lot, especially with the YouTube algorithm, as I'm a very starting up channel right now. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.